Oh, y'all ain't saying that. What Paul said. Paul said, I wrote you 3 letters. He said, if I come the 3rd time, I ain't sparing you. He said, but I heard there were yourselves in the church. That's what Paul said. And Paul said, I come to get some straightening. I come to make the thing get right. Well, y'all ain't saying. Paul said, but good that I wrote the letter. But if I come in person, I ain't gonna spare you. Listen to the letter. Listen to what God has said to you today. Somebody messed up.
You're in the book.
Oh, y'all ain't saying that. Don't you know God honor you? God honor, and my family, all of them, that to come back, and this preacher's a witness. If I'd have listened to them, I'd have never got married to them. Man, I'd have never got. They thought I was, you know, I told them, how y'all thought I was too good for Providence Game? I'm the one was standing in the project. They were staying in a house. I'm the one came alive and late. I'm the one came from the hood. They were staying in a house. This should have been reversal. She should have been too good for me.
Look out now.
Just because we part of the Game family.
That's right.
Oh, y'all ain't saying that. Game family.
I like that.
Amen, somebody. I told Prophet God, I said, oh, I was blessed to get you. I'm the one who was in the project. I'm the one that had Ava and not cable. I'm the one who was on food stamp and Wicks. Y'all ain't gonna talk to me up in here. Y'all went on no food stamp. Y'all went on no Wicks. Oh, y'all ain't saying, I'm the one that blessed.
All right now.
Oh, y'all ain't saying that. I recognize that. I recognize that I got to support my wife.
All right.
Woo! Because, sister, if I allowed my family to run over her, they would have done it. They would have ran all over her.
Yes, sir.
Amen, somebody. But I let them know I ain't scared. I said, yeah, Mom, I love you. You bored me. You carried me for 9 months. You see about me. You changed my dirty pampers and all that. I understand that what back then with diapers. They have pampers there. They have diapers. Amen. You get all that there. But Mama, I'm grown now.
That's right.
I'm a man now. And you got to respect my house.
That's right.
Amen, somebody. Make my wife cry if you want to.
Look out.
I'm clocking out early.
Look out, gang.
I'm coming home. I'm getting some strength.
All right.
Well, now, who in the world told my wife to cry?
All right.
I want some strength. I want to know why she's shedding tears. I don't make her cry. Oh, y'all ain't saying that.
Look out, gang.
Don't hear me, man. If you're making her cry, something wrong with you.
Yeah, something wrong with you. You're making a cry.
Something wrong with you.
All right. I know you're right.
29 years, some months, never put my hands on her.
All right now.
What? Don't hear me?
Say it good, gang.
My hand, who? I don't hurt none I love.
That's right, amen.
No man ever hated himself.
That's right.
Now you in
Come on.
All right.
No man ever hated himself.
All right, gang.
Amen, somebody.
Why not?
You hold your head up high. We don't hear me. Y'all hear me. Women, now men, y'all reverse the role. Give me some married women up here.